will win? Could be anybody.
The battle of the century. I need fight to the death. Everything you guys have.
Fight! Somebody spilled hot sauce on the suit. Come on, guys. How unprofessional.
Come on, Dan.
Am I getting really big to you?
You're getting pretty big. You look good, though.
Why am I so fat?
Dang, Nigel. You've been working out, huh?
Wait, is there like a bracket?
Yep.
Oh, no.
I have a full bracket that I randomly generated, and I have Fede, who watched me randomly generate it, just to prove to you non-believers that it's random.
Right, because in a video like this, the most people I trust is you and Fede.
Would you like to know the order, Aaron? The first round is Fede versus Ozzy, and then it's me versus Ozzy, and then Troy versus Nigel, and you two.
I can't fight the scrapper.
Yes, you can.
I'm not scared of many people, but I'm definitely scared of Carlos.
Hey, his low center of
That's
gravity,
what I
though.
mean. He's the hardest
You gotta get low.
And he's the brutalest fighter.
Dan, if you don't put that sumo suit on,
It's not going on.
Aaron, you need
You're
to
first,
you
Daniel.
need to executive order this.
You're on the bracket.
I'm not. I
No,
didn't.
you're on there, Dan. Someone hold him down. Someone grab the sumo suit and then put it over his damn head. Lift up his little Australian leg.
Other way, this way, this way.
His body, I've never
Get that wang dang in there.
Like one leg too. Ready to kill him now.
I'm just gonna ride off.
I'm just gonna
No,
ride
you're not,
off.
Dan.
Do this for Australia.
He's gonna win it. You got a costume to put on as well.
Huh?
You're going first.
Oh, there's only 4.
Huh?
Well, I'll probably get eliminated fast.
Yes, Dan. Thank you so much, Dan.
I'm too short for this.
No, you're not. You saw little kids at the lesson the other day wearing these.
Oh wait, it just needed to be zipped up. That's what happened.
He looks the best.
Dan, you look fire in that, dude.
He's all saggy.
We should do skateboard jousting with the life swords eventually.
All right, Aaron, what are we doing here today?
I have no idea.
I thought you actually knew. It's battle boards.
Battle boards, but what is that? I mean, how does it go? Sort of.
Basically, the premise of this game is that you have to be on your skateboard at all times.
Okay.
So there's 2 people going right there on that 8x8 box. Okay. And you have to stay on that stage on your skateboard.
And if you fall off, you're out.
Yeah, if you fall off the stage or fall off your skateboard, you lose. It's rounds of 3. And first up is Fede versus Ozzy Dan.
Look at Ozzy.
Oh yes, Dan. With the hot sauce. It's fitting.
Oh wait, what did I get this one?
Wow, Fede, I've never seen you looking more dangerous.
Been fat and with a sword?
Yep. Well, are you guys ready? Gentlemen, get your skateboards. Get onto the fighting stage.
Last time me and Fede did this, we both got really hurt. I punched him, he elbowed me in the back of the head.
All right, everybody. We have in the left corner from the Down Under, Ozzy Dan, who cannot even see his board, and he wants to just ride off. This is the best 2 out of 3, and the reigning champion, Fede Potter. Please don't hurt Daniel. He's a gentleman. He's just a gentle little man, and he doesn't want to be hurt.
I got wax on my wheels, he's gonna win.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Oh my goodness!
I might have used my yeet power too early.
The second you hear the yeet, you gotta just get out. Get out!
That was easy.
I'm not trying to get injured doing this.
Maybe we should move this box back a few feet.
Is my body over here or is it over here?
Come on, Dan. At least get one.
As you know, it's not gonna happen.
You know, that's go low and pick him up. Round 2! Australian Down Under versus North American Fede Potter. Fight!
Dan!
Dad, remember your training.
There was no training. That's it. Well, he lost now.
There was no training, you said. Killed it.
Well, thank you for at least putting on the suit, Dan.
I did that.
Next up is Troy versus Nigel. This could be the scrappiest one of the day.
Troy versus Nigel? I don't know. Are you gonna scrap?
We're gonna do more for scrap. Am I even up right now?
Yeah.
Oh, I just got up here.
Troy.
Come on,
I'm
you better
scared.
go for blood, Nigel.
Bracket number 2. Nigel,
That's me.
the veteran, versus Troy, the non-veteran.
I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie.
Fight!
Well, that's it. No one.
Oh my god. I could not see my feet.
Nigel, right?
Nigel
Nigel won that. You won that solely because he fell off first. This is like Braille gang beasts.
Yeah.
What a round.
Told you that was gonna get a little aggressive.
What an accomplishment. Nigel's up by 1. If Nigel takes this one, he wins the round and Troy will be eliminated from the tournament. If Troy wins this one, they will be supercharged. You look like E Honda. 3, 2, 1, fight!
Okay, well, 1 foot from Troy came up, but he was still on the board. So I get that one to Troy.
Nigel came off first.
We gotta do this again.
Tiebreaker.
Tied up 1-1.
Can I hip toss him?
I don't know what that
I don't even know
means,
what that
but
means.
yes. Yes, you can.
Have you seen these gas prices? Inflation's going up.
Yeah.
Wow, what a round. Just when you thought it couldn't get any heavier.
This is the round 3. This is the tiebreaker.
Round 3, tiebreaker.
For the win.
For the win, Nigel Ryan Jones versus Troy. The Flying Hawaiian. We need to chee-hoo it. Fight! The best was the mid-fight pivot from Troy. Thought he was going down, he was like, what?
That was amazing. Dang, it means I have to go up against Ozzy now. Man, Ozzy has the serious height advantage in this scenario. I feel like he's gonna hurt me by doing something Ozzy-like.
He's got a new strategy.
He's got the penny board.
Hey, you can't do that. You can't have grippy wheels. Get your regular board.
That was fun though. I'm gonna go work now. Whew. Till next time, guys.
I mean, last time I lost to Carlos, so I don't really have much hope for
So
myself.
you did body slam him.
I did body slam him. Maybe I just have to go for the legs.
Yeah, easy. Uzi's
very
the easiest
fun
one.
thing.
He's very tall and uncoordinated. You hit him just right, he'll topple right over. He almost fell just walking. You can take him out. Look at his face.
I've never seen you do this. Dang, now I know why you didn't want to do this, Dan.
It's actually really comfortable. Yeah, there's like an airflow, you know, it keeps you cool. Very ergonomic.
Okay, the round you've all been waiting for. Gabe versus Kurt Cobain.
I was
3, 2, 1. I told you. Uncoordinated, he just went, oh!
No, I was thinking for this game, maybe you could like try to get on the side of someone when their board's like this, because then they roll, but it doesn't work like that.
Just push him off the board, Uzi. Stop trying to think about it. Round 2. Gabe, the contending champion, versus Uzi. Fight!
I'm not screaming, so I'm just gonna celebrate very quietly.
Let's go. He has been working out vigorously.
Look at these guns.
Got the hidden camera.
So we meet at last.
When I tell y'all I have been looking forward to a match, not anything more than this one right here, Carlos.
Not
versus
looking
Aaron.
forward to this.
I need fight to the death status right here. Everything you guys have. I've seen your raw strength, Aaron. I can't believe you're doubting yourself right now. I think he's purposely trying to put himself in an underdog situation so he could just smash Carlos. The battle of the century in the left corner. Aaron Cairo, the father of Carlos. The Montana Mountain Man, the owner of the Braille House, the manual master and breaker of all conventional skateboards. In the right corner, we have Carlos. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, he scratched my eye out! Come on, Aaron! Come on, Aaron!
One of the match Carlos came up to me and said, Aaron's going for my eye.
Oh my gosh, Aaron, you're just having a bad day.
I know.
You have a little bit of blood on your eye.
Do
on
I?
the bottom, on your bottom eyelid. Round 2. Fight! gets body slammed every time we do this game. All right. Aaron has won. Carlos has won. Whoever wins this final round goes on to the next round. Are you ready, contestants?
Yeah.
Fight! Dan, you know who's up next, right? Me and Fede.
Whew, gotta get ready for the next match.
All right, the moment you've all been wanting for. Gabe Cruz versus Fede. 3, 2, 1, fight! I mean, I don't really know what happened there.
All I knew is that Fede's so hurt, I was gonna do everything in my power not to fall on him and cause more injury.
Round 1, a total success. Round 2, anybody's guess. Fede Potter versus Gabe Cruz. Round 2, fight! Who's next?
Who's next? Who's next?
We got Carlos versus Troilus.
I'm rolling off the thing. Hey, I can feel that.
3, 2, 1, fight!
They're the same size.
That was good.
Troy seems impossible to, you seem impossible to get off the board.
Okay, okay. Carlos, his game face is on. He's getting scrappy. Troy, he's getting scrapped.
I didn't do my yell.
Okay, Chihu it.
Nah, it's all right.
What do you mean, cheese the who? Chihu!
All right.
3, 2, 1, fight!
I think that's a tie. Yeah, that was really hard to say too.
Rebate!
Am I in it to win it?
Am I in it to win it?
Or am I just filling up space?
All right, Troy, don't let that happen again. Fight!
Oh, nice.
Fede versus Troy for 3rd place. Who will win? Could be anybody. Best 2 out of 3, winner takes all. Troy versus Fede, fight!
Oh, I think the remote thing just dug into my rib.
I think Fede won that one.
Are you all right?
Yeah, it's just one of my sets of broken fingers. We're good.
Super close call, could have been anyone. Troy's feet left the board first. It is what it is. 3rd and 4th place, fight!
Fede put his hand down, but Troy also fell off his board at the same time. I'm gonna call perfect tie, rebate.
Fight!
I got off my board pretty fast up there. That was good.
He lifted him, threw Troy off his board.
I've done that to Daniel before.
Gabe Cruz versus the Gnarlos.
Last time I played Carlos, I body slammed him and then he came back and won. Carlos is a little Cthulhu force of nature. You don't want to bet against the Underlord.
Yeah, I'm not an underdog, I'm an underlord.
Hey, they do not call him Cralisius Pastrana for no reason.
The Underlord versus the Overlord. Who will lord under or over? We shall see. Contestants, are you ready?
No?
Are you ready now?
Sure.
Fight!
That almost hit me in the face.
Round 1 goes to Gabe Cruz. Here we go. Fight!
Oh dang. Oh dang. Getting crazy. That's him. He won that one.
Overlord Gabe Cruz, Underlord Carlos Cthulhu Lastra.
Takes home the Battleboard trophy.
The Battleboard trophy. Contestants, are you ready?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You can't false start us like that!
Contestants, are you ready?
Yeah.
Fight!
Did I win? Hold it up again, Gabe. Yes. I'm so tired. I'm sweating.
Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. This is your year 2019. Let's go.